The Honda S660 is a neat little K car, but no, it's still not coming to the United States. Instead, the pint-sized roadster lives on in Japan, and Honda has a retro-inspired body kit prepared for the Tokyo Auto Salon. Last Friday, the brand revealed the custom S660 modulo neo-classic racer concept with nods to race cars of the past. The race car concept comes after Honda showed the S660 as the neo-classic concept in 2016. The retro look proved so popular that the automaker released a body kit in Japan to recreate the concept car with a standard S660. The modulo neo-classic racer takes things even further with black plastic headlights that are meant to recall tape racers used to protect the car from track debris, bolt-on fender flares, front and rear spoilers, and hood-mounted mirrors. Honda also finishes the car with red and blue racing graphics. The hood even receives leather straps to further dial up the nostalgia factor. Although it looks the part of sports car, the tiny roadster would hardly satisfy the US market. With just 63 horsepower from its turbocharged 0.7-liter 3-cylinder engine, it's incredibly slow. In our 2015 test of the car, we quoted a 0-60 mph time of 12.4 seconds, which is slower than a Mitsubishi Mirage. It's also very small, so full-figured drivers would feel awfully cramped. But it weighs just 1,840 pounds, which means it's a nimble thing to toss around corners. The S660 is also a desirable-looking car, and the modulo neo-classic racer concept only gives the nifty roadster all the right nods to the past. The Tokyo Auto Salon opens January 11th. Perhaps if the modulo neo-classic racer concept is well received, Japanese car fans will get even more parts for the sportiest K car.